Yes, 12th student. We are doing next topic, biotechnology or recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology. Which type of methods and which tools of recombinant technologies here we have been discussed. First of all, which enzyme? Restriction endonuclease. After that, vectors. After that, ligase enzyme. And in the last point of it, host. Now we will discuss here the mechanism of, first of all, the mechanism of restriction endonuclease. Mechanism. First of all, type of restriction endonuclease. EcoR first, EcoR second, and Hind third. These are the type of restriction endonuclease enzyme. And here, every type of restriction endonuclease has a specific type of sequence of 6 nitrogen base pair. 6 nitrogen base pair. It is known as a palindrome. It is known as a palindrome. Special 6 type of nitrogen base pair that will present in restriction endonuclease enzyme. And this restriction endonuclease enzyme will identify the DNA segment from this specific base pairs. How many base pairs? 6 base pairs. For example, EcoR first. It has which type of specific base pairs of group? G, A, T, T, and C. This restriction endonuclease enzyme identify to DNA from this specific base pair. In the DNA where that base pairs will present, restriction endonuclease identify it and cut it. So, restriction endonuclease enzyme known as a molecular scissors. Yes, molecular scissors. We will discuss here first of all. For example, there is a DNA segment. Yes, DNA, circular type of DNA present, and it has specific type of nitrogenous bases. First of all, G, A, T, T, C, C, T, G, A, T, T, C, or A. Yes, these type of nitrogenous bases are present in genetic structure in DNA. And what is the function of endonuclease, restriction endonuclease? First, it will identify to specific base pair. It has a 6 base pair sequence. This is known as a palindrome. And this restriction endonuclease enzyme identify to specific base pair from this DNA. From where? From here. It has a G, A, T, T, and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 base pair sequence. This endonuclease identify specific base pair from here up to C part, up to here, and make a cut here, here, in this way. And that desired type of DNA that we want to insert it here, first of all, it will be isolated with the help of restriction endonuclease. And after that, for example, it is a vector, any bacteria vector. It has also genetic material, same type of circular DNA. With the help of restriction endonuclease enzyme, we will cut here from 6 base pair here, same type of process will happen where in vector, and after that this desired type of, this is desired DNA segment or desired genes. After that this desired genes will transmitted where, inserted where, in this bacteria. Yes, from here to here, this is inserted into vector. What is the function of vector? To transmitted the desired DNA into where? Into host. For example, this is a host cell, any host cell, and we want to transmit it to desired DNA into host cell. Here we have to insert a desired DNA where? In vector, and after that with the help of vector this desired DNA or genes will transferred into the host cell with the help of vector. We can take vector in the form of bacteria or virus. This is a technology where with the help of microorganisms, bacteria, virus, we will use here in the form of vector, and we will transmit to desired DNA into host cells. This technique is known as a recombinant DNA technology. Why it is known as a recombinant? Here, first of all, when we cut the DNA, desired DNA, after that we inserted to DNA here, recombinant. Re means again combinations of desired DNA. This DNA is known as a recombinant DNA. Recombinant DNA, or also known as a chimeric DNA. Recombinant DNA or known as a chimeric DNA. With the help of vector, we will insert to recombinant DNA into host cell. This is a recombinant DNA technology. Okay, thank you.